recover deleted photos and videos. Firstly, you need to go to your Google Photos and set up your account. After that, go to create option, and here now tap in your profile and simply go to your backup option. Here my backup is off. Simply tap on turn on backup, and after that, after your backup is on, if you delete your photos, even if it is permanently deleted, even if you delete it from the recycle bin or trash, your image will be saved on Google Photo and you may download it anytime. Or what you can do is be mindful while deleting any photos. So if you delete the photos, don't delete it from the trash, because trash allows you to save it for up to 30 days. So go to files, and under here you'll find a trash option. So if you delete any files, it will be saved on trash and you can recover the video or photo anytime by simply tapping on them and just tap on restore option. In this way you can recover your photos or videos easily. Thank you for watching this video.